Right, let's have a quick look at charts, the type of charts, and it's quite interesting. There's an old quote from Bob Dylan: "You don't need a weatherman to know which way the wind blows." So there are various types of charts. Bar charts are very common. There's also your close only charts, more like your line charts. There's also the open, high, low, close chart. You've got a candlestick, Japanese candlestick charting. There's also more exotic types of charting, such as point and figure. We mentioned candlesticks. We've mentioned close only. And they're some of the main ones. There are some others as well, so do a search. And what we're looking for really is that we've got all these different types of charts, and normally we can chart yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, intraday, 60 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute chart. Now obviously the closer or the smaller the unit, the more we're reacting very quickly to the market action. So the smallest unit you could get on a chart is about a 1 minute bar, and the 1 minute bar is the closest you can get to the actual action on a live chart. Obviously the further out we go, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, the further away we're getting from the action, the price action. So this is what we've got to really keep in mind, is the fact that we either want to be close to the price action because we want to react really fast to what the market's doing, or we don't mind being miles away from the price action. We're moving fairly slowly and we're taking a longer term and a longer time frame, and we've got a longer amount of time to wait for our profits. So you need to sort of sit down and think, do I want quick profits, or am I willing to take, what time frame do I want my profits in? If you want your time frame, if you want your profits today, you need to be in a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame. If you want your profits in the next week, then you're looking at an hourly or a weekly time frame. If you want your profits in a few weeks to a few months, then you're looking at daily and weekly time frames. And if you're looking longer term, such as you don't mind taking your profits in a year, in 12 months, 18 months, then you're looking at a monthly time frame. And if you're a super long termer, where you're looking at your profits in 10 years, then you'd be wanting to look in at a yearly chart. So this is what you've got to do, is sit down first of all and decide what time frame you want to be in, and that will depend on when you want to get your profits. The sooner you get your profits, you want your profits, then the shorter the time frame. If you're not bothered about the money and you can afford to wait and let your investments mature over time, then you're interested in looking at the longer and longer time frames. So that is a quick way to sit down first and decide what type of chart you're going to be using and what your time frame is going to be. So you can go to my website, which is daviddalbylive.com. Check out my YouTube videos. I've got some audios. Check out I'm also on check out David Dalby on Blog Talk Radio, TalkShoe, and yeah, you can also go to I think it's Day Trading Post as well, and there's all sorts of freebies and goodies, reports. There's a bit of software and other things that you can look at, videos. So until next time,